Hello, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to some more Factorio. Yesterday we kind of wanted to get up to blue science, so I made this little crazy thing up here, and now I'm gonna go set this guy in here, and I'm gonna go boop like this, and then let these guys just kind of pick up all the blue science that they want, and have them start processing through this. So we need to have, I think, yeah, it's like 75. It was like 200 or something total to get up to where we need it to be. And then once we get all that stuff, we're going to need to get solar panels. Let all these guys kind of get figured out. I think I dropped like, it was just over 800 blue sciences in there. I don't recommend doing it that way. I just didn't want to build all the blue science on camera. It takes forever to build without robots, and the whole point here is to try to get us to robots quicker. So once we get advanced oil production done, we should be able to go down here and change kind of how this system works. That is the plan anyway. Let's see, then what else? Yeah, so well, actually no. Then we got we got to research lubricant, and then we'll get electric motors, and then batteries. We'll end up, flying frames, and then the actual construction robots. The logistics robots should come later. Like I said, for the most part, we really need construction robots, because they're very, very helpful with the whole building of things. Alright, it is not going nearly as fast as I wanted it to. Go ahead back up there. It's moving along, but it's definitely not as fast as I would like for it to be. Our base is kind of starting to shape up. The normal base, our normal bus type base. I did bring the green and red circuits out. At the current moment, these are not strong enough to really be able to do what we need to do. I need to get quite a bit more stuff added onto it. I just want robots for it. All right, so there is research chemicals, research kind of technologies and chemical science packs. There goes lubricant. So now we should be able to go down here. And then I'm going to change this guy from this one to this guy. And then we're going to go ahead, we'll change all of these to those. Now that means that that's our petroleum gas will stop. But what I'm going to do, and this is probably more than enough for right now for these, I'm going to go grab one of these guys. We'll move this. Nope. Try that again. This time with feeling. See, put you here. This. And then we're going to take... Nope, that is not what I wanted to do at all. Go out to there. And go in here. Now the only problem with this is that now that I'm setting up the ability to get water down here and do the advanced oil processing, now we'll start producing the extra oils, and we've got to come up with something to do with those. So we're going to go here. and we'll go down there like this. And then we're going to kind of do the same thing. Set these up so that they all come out here like this. And then, so what I'm doing, oh, I did not want to do that. That would have been bad. All right, so we're going to do that. And then get our undergroundies here. And eventually we need engines, but I think I need, those can go like that. And I wonder if we're so backed up, they're so full on petroleum that they can't do anything. All right, so there is all those guys going. Oh, I don't have water going into the bottom yet. Do that. Put a little water in, put a little water in, water. All right, so that's everybody turned back on. And that should start producing the other oils for us. Look at the other oils. So now we have light and heavy oil. And then we should have, let's see, I need to get, problem is I need, I can build some motors. Oh, and I'm still building blues. I thought I had all those done. So we're just continuing to build blues. All right, so now with that we need to get, let's see. Oh, so I need the solar panel, and then I need to get that guy, that guy, that guy. Oh wow, we're not going to be able to get to the yellow one yet. Let me go look at. Let's see this guy. Let's see, laser. Personal laser defense probably isn't a bad thing. Personal roboport. I'm not researching that yet. So I need to get, as soon as the batteries get done. Is this screen paused right now? The screen is paused right now. So all right. We'll let it go back to working. So we need to get personal roboports. Obviously, we need to get the big roboports also, but the personal roboports are very, very important right now. Need to get these pumps. Let me get my pumps going. I'll tell it to rebuild those blue things to get the crap out of them. I guess technically, that may not be the best thing to do. Let's get those out of there. We'll just save the engines and red stuff for other things we might need. All right, so now we got batteries going. Put those in there. Save those for later. Not the most optimal way to run your science, to handcraft it, but I had some time between last episode and this one, and I don't like building a bunch of stuff off camera because it's not good. All right, so now what we need to do is go down here. All right, so we have these. So what I want to do, where is our pumps at? They're in here somewhere. Let's see. If you ever lose them, you can hover like this, and then that way they'll flash at you. So we'll do this like that one. We'll do this one like this one. I'll do this like this. Let's get us some power. Get those guys where they can pump. This guy where he can pump like that. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get us a chemical plant. And this isn't going to be a massive undertaking right now. This is going to put you here, put you here like this, right? So this one I want to be able to make heavy oil to light oil. And then this one I want to make light oil to petroleum. And I need to turn these around. Would have made sense if I did that to begin with. Let's try that again. Light oil to petroleum. And this is medium oil, right? So what we'll do here is we'll do this guy like this. Actually, I want to do it like this. And then that way these guys go in down here also. Now I do need to bring water. If I do that to there like that, this can go like this. We'll have to set up a circuit condition on this thing eventually. I think I have circuit wires. I just haven't made any of them yet. Do that like that. Split this guy out one more like this. This way we can get water down here because, well, I need water down here. I think that's about right. We'll find out here very soon. There you go. Like that and like this. It's a waste of belts to do it that way, but I can walk through there. So, let's see. That's a bad place for that. That's a bad. Oh no, that one's fine. We'll move them to the other side. I don't want that to come out that way. I want it to come out. I don't think I can do what I'm trying to do here. Even though I don't know why I did that pipe like that. There's no need for it. Because I can't walk through there. Oh, I can attach to the side. Okay. All right. So that should, once all these things kind of get turned on, it's going to start taking this and start pumping all this stuff down. Do that so that way as all these pumps. Now ideally, let me go and can we go make a circuit here? Where's our circuit wires at? We don't have circuit wires yet. That's modules. So I do need to get this guy up there. That one's already up there. Battery's already up there. Okay, so that stuff is all going. All right, let's see. Thought we already searched for modules. I'm just looking for the little green wire things. All right, maybe I just haven't researched them yet, or found them. So we will eventually find them. Now, I do need to get some of these guys up here. All right, so I need this guy to make lubricant, right? And then at some point we need to make sulfuric acid, but we need to get sulfur. I think we need sulfur water and what's the other word I'm looking for? Sulfur water and iron plates. Those all need to be combined. We are slowly running out of underground belts, though. That's going to cause a problem. I think I can. I can skip. All right. So these. It can go like that. So ultimately what I want to do is have pumps like this. I want this one to be circuited so that it's connected to the tank. And if the tank doesn't have enough, it will kind of kill it. So what I'm going to do now, though, which is a crazy thing, is I'm going to do this and go bloop. And then that will allow me to start producing other stuff, right? So once the problem right now is I don't have a circuit condition. So I only want to really melt this stuff down when I have too much of this oil. If not, I want this stuff up here to be. I want this to be. I don't know why I keep doing that. I want this stuff to be kind of secure or placed because I need it. I don't think. There, that way we can get all that oil out of there, all the lubricant out of there. Anyway, so hopefully this will start filling up because we need the lubricant to be able to build the things that we need to build for robots. All right, I'm gonna go up here and get some more pipes because I need them. Take the pipes. Take those pipes. All right, technology solar energy is researched. So now we're researching modular armor. Going here. This guy here we need. That's modules that's inserted into machines. So let's go ahead and do that one. Ooh, there's a weight module. That's new. Ooh, a quality module. Higher quality products. Okay. We'll make higher quality robots. Let's see. Modular armor, probably not a bad thing to do too. Oh, we're already researching that one. Bulk inserter, power. We need all the power. More flexible ways? Oh yeah, that's okay. All right. So assume we're gonna hit some blue thing that we don't have. And like I said, right now we're just literally just trying to get some lubricant. Now, if we go RoboPorts, there's those guys, right? So I need to build some robots. Question is where do I build robots? Right here. I think the first thing that we should build out of our entire bus line, the most important thing is to have robots. There's some who might disagree with that, but they don't have a mic right now. Sorry. The robots ultimately, like when you need robots, they're really important when you kind of have them. It's not that big of a deal. And unfortunately, like all this stuff afterwards, we really need all the things afterwards to be able to make the robots. But right now we just need the robots. All right, so here we have this. Obviously, we want to kind of back up to here. Now, I'm going to go down here. We're going to make us some... We'll do this guy here, right? All right, so here I'm going to tell it to make construction robots, right? So construction robots, we need green and we need flying robot frames. Okay, easy enough, flying robot frames. Here I need to make a flying robot frame, right? So flying robot frame, we need batteries, we need, okay. So we need batteries, green, we need motors. Steel and green is fine, we can do that. So I need batteries over here. Let's see, batteries. Do we not have batteries researched yet? We should have batteries researched. No. Oh, well, no, we have to have batteries researched because that's a personal battery. I don't see them in there. Oh, that's why. Batteries. There they are. I found them. All right. So, but for that, I also need to have, so I need sulfuric acid brought in. And we don't have sulfuric acid, so we're going to put this guy here, and then we'll have him make sulfuric acid. So we're just going to on-demand sulfuric acid right now on location, just because we can. All right, so that will be our batteries. Now the other thing we need is electric motor units. So electric motor units. These guys need lubricant, greens, and motors. All right, so let's rotate that to over here, and then we'll put this guy here, and this guy needs to build motors, right? Now motors we need, and technically we have motors over here. So we need pipes and those. Then we'll get pipes like this. So we'll do, let's see, where do pipes go here? Gears go burr. Come here, there you are. All right, so this should be enough to make robots for us, right? Now we just need to get it all plumbed in. So here we need green and steel, green, and then steel, right? So if we take one of these guys down here, and this needs to be this is easy enough. I can go there. Okay. Why are you not going the way I want you to go? You go to there like that. You go to there like that. All right, so easiest thing to do here is to do this like that. We'll get those all going through. I'm going to take me a splitter. I'll put it backwards like that, and then I'm just going to put greens on one side of the belt. Easy peasy. And then, honestly, up here, I'm going to do the exact same thing. And then what I'll do is I'll just do a splitter like this. That one will not work, though. Like that. Now we'll do a splitter like this. Do that, and we'll do that. And then we'll do that like that. So that way those are all split. And then we'll just basically have all the stuff we need there. So now I need to bring sulfur up to this thing. And I need to bring iron down to it. I also need to bring iron into here. Do that. Do that like this. Easy enough. And then do this. Just do our normal little. All right, we have iron coming in now, so we'll be able to get these guys in to do those. And we're going to put all blue stuff in here all the time. I want these things to be literally working as fast as they can. Oh, I need copper for this one. Ooh, okay, that's going to be a pain. All right. Change my mind. And so I want to change this up a little bit. So I'm going to shove that out a little bit further. Do like that. Then I'm going to go down here. I'm going to pull iron plates off of half of this. Because I need coppers for batteries. All right, so we got copper there. And then now we're going to kind of do the same thing here. Unfortunately, this is going to kind of slow some of my production through here. Which is fine. Like we've had worse things. Do that. Like that. That's what I want. So that way we just kind of put those in there. And it's a little bit wasteful, but it makes it look easier. It makes it all work together correctly. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this guy like this. And then we'll do that. So now that way we have batteries, right? So, all right, we'll do this. Those guys go in there. Those guys go there. Here, here, here. These guys all go there. All right, so that way we make robots. And then at the very end of all the robots, we'll have a box. And we'll do this. And then we'll restrict the amount of bots we can make. Because as much as I want to have, 9,000 robots, it doesn't do me any good. Now, the other thing we need is roboports at some point. There we are. We can make 2 of them. All right, fine. We'll make 2 of them. I've convinced myself of it. All right, so now I need to get sulfur up here. And then, let's see. Let me get... we need to get water down here also. me get this guy here out. I love how it kind of figures out. It's like, oh crap, I needed to put one there, and then automatically puts it in place for you. Now I need to get another water pump. There you are, water pump. Put that in there. Those guys down there. All right, so let's get back down here. All right, so now we have water coming in. Now we'll have... Okay. Oh, that's not going to be helpful. Nope, that is not where I wanted that. I wanted that there. All right, so... Now, I really should be putting pumps in here. Especially with as far as these things have got to go. Because it doesn't work that well if you try to go too far with the old pumps here. Or the pipes. If you take the pipes and just run them without proper pipe, or it can't pump as far as you'd like for it to. All right, now we need to get a little bit of sulfur up here. Time to destroy some more trees and rocks. This is the whole reason I want robots, to be honest. Like, oh, we will have them. We will have them soon. And then we'll pocket craft all the things that we need. Oh, look at that. Lined up perfect. All right, now let's get all these in here. So this should all be going good. Everything, we should have everything that we need. We just need to start putting in power. And then connect all this to that. And that should just kick everything off, and it should start making robots. It's going to take it a little bit of time to get up because some of these things take forever. No, you don't have... Okay, well, fine. You need green circuits. Of course you do. You need green circuits and steel. And then you need green circuits and steel. All right, so... Yeah, so that one takes... and these engines take 10 seconds. These take 10 seconds. But I think this needs... does that only need one of them? It only needs one of them. These guys take 20 seconds. So, so far that's my limiting factor. And then this guy... It only takes a half a second. But basically one robot every 20 seconds isn't a bad thing. It's just... It is what it is, right? The flying frames are the expensive part of it. And if it takes 20 seconds, like the other option is to build some massive array, but really you don't need that massive array, right? You can kind of get away with not having it. All right, so T, let's get some more train stuff going. Let's see. Worker robot cargo size, not necessarily a bad thing. Robot speed's not a bad thing either. Flames. Vehicle probably wouldn't be a bad plan. Let's see. Advanced combinators. Let's do that. Let's do blue circuits. Logistics robots. Definitely. Probably should have done that before all this other stuff. And then we need to figure out. The problem is I can't really put those guys down until we have logistics. All right, so I need modular armor. So I need steel plate and reds. Do I have one? Okay, I have all the stuff I need to make that. We need more steel plates for those. Get some steel plates. We need batteries. So I need to get a box here. Eventually we'll have batteries that are kind of built onto the system. But I just need some batteries. And I can't build those in my backpack. So let's go ahead. Let's change this guy out. Probably should have done... Yeah, that's the modular armor. So if I do the equipment grid... No, there it is, the equipment grid, right? So then I can do... Oh, I can build a bunch of solar panels. Because I want to say the roboports will take 2 down here. So we'll end up having to do those. There's personal roboport. Yeah, so I need a bunch of batteries. I need a bunch of batteries for those. So let me let this run for a little bit, and we'll be back when I have robots. All right, talk to y'all soon. All right, we're back. All right, so I've got. Let's see. Let's go ahead. Right click on this guy. I got a couple of batteries, a couple of solar panels put in here. We'll put in our 2 little guys here. We'll let them charge up. Hopefully we'll have enough. We'll just kind of play it by ear whether or not we need more batteries or more solar panels. It's not going to be the fastest thing at all. It is what it is, right? But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab these guys. So now we should be able to. I want to say these robot limit is 10. So technically we only need 20 robots on us. We have 36. So it could be worse. Yeah, or 37. We have a few extras. But now I can do crazy stuff like this, where I can go Control C, and I can go like this, and then we can do this, and slow robots. Slow robots are better than me doing it. That's all I'm going to say. So that way we can start, we just build the first one, and now we can start copying out and pasting and doing what we need to do. Obviously, it's not going to be the fastest thing in the world because my robots suck and they're slow. But like I said, slow robots are better than no robots. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then those will all come in, and then look at that, more green circuits coming in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this guy like this. I'm going to go bloop. We'll go ahead and tell them to go pick that up. It's going to be slow processing again. And then they're going to have to go pick up all these guys up. So let me see if I can help them pick up some of this plastic. Now we just need to get logistics robots researched and start getting that stuff done. And then, let's see, Control C, this one again. Should be able to just do that. Okay, I see what's going on here. So I need to do there. Right? And then that guy needs to go there like that. So now we have finally we have robots. Oops, that is not the button I want to press. Evidently, if you push pause break, you get a grid thing set up. It seems to pause the game when you do it, though. Put that guy in there like that. Let these guys all build what we need to build here. Oh, it's fancy. Robots. Finally. So, but we can do that, and it should start making us a lot easier to be able to do things, be able to build stuff out, and just kind of get things going the way we need to, especially when we're trying to start in building a bigger base and being able to do things. So then even now will allow us to start improving the amount of smelting we have and stuff like that. It's such a big step to be able to get to those, because like right now we have these guys and these kind of suck, right? So ideally what I'd want to do is kind of kill this entire array right here and extend these out, and then we'll start upgrading to red belts. We'll start adding more throughput. It's going to be fun. This is kind of when the game starts to waken up, and you're not having to do everything manually so much anymore. The game itself starts doing it. Now, the other thing, I found the circuits. You don't have to make the wires anymore. They're down over here. They're just here now. So if I want to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, where is my guy at? Oh, there it is. This guy. So I'm going to put this guy out like, I don't want to put it there. I want to, this thing is 3, right? No, it's 4. Of course it's 4. Why would it not be 4? But now here's the other side too. Is now I can do this guy like this and hit shift and place that, and they're gonna go pick up the trees for me. So much better. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this guy like this. I'm gonna put that guy there, right? And then I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna hit my wire here. So green or red, wherever, it doesn't matter. We can do this guy like this, right? Hit Q twice. Now I want to go in here and it says total construction robots, available construction robots. So I want a Z. So I want available construction robots. So I'm going to take this guy here. It's going to be set to control signal of, see, enable, disable. So we're going to set, control signal Z, right? And then we want Z to be in excess of 100, right? So basically what we're doing here is that, oh no, I want this the other way, because I want that enabled right now. So basically I want 100, if there's less than 100 robots that are available in my system, I want it to add more robots. So however many I have, and that is going to allow it to kind of run over time, right? And now we're building logistics robots. So now, ideally, probably what I want to do is kind of mirror this on the other side, to an extent. We kind of will see what the logistics, because the logistics robot should take red circuits, and then I also want, let's see, I need to go back over here, because at some point I need to start building these, right? So these need steel chest, and then red and green circuits. Steel chest, red and green circuits, right? And then steel chest is obviously steel. So if I do one of these guys like this, I'll do that guy there like that. Okay. And then, actually that's probably not the best place to put that. Put you there, put you there, put you there, right? So this one's going to make me steel chest. Easy enough, right? And then I'm going to take We'll go here. We'll go here. This one is going to make yellow boxes. This one's going to make red boxes, right? So passive provider and the other ones. I just need to get red and green coming through here, which shouldn't be hard. And then we will do... Let's see. Let me get these guys like this. All right, and then we will get... you know what? You can do that. And then... where is my... There's those. Put you there and put you there. That's fine. Okay, of course, you're going to load those all into there first, even though you can't really do anything with them. All right, makes sense. Let's go get a couple of those. We'll get us some steel chest. We'll do these like this. I'll limit these to like 2. These to like 2. Sure, we'll just limit all of these to 2. Why not? All right, so we'll do all that, and then we're going to go yellow here, yellow here, yellow here, yellow here like this. So that way, that's going to start building chests for us, so we don't have to do it for ourselves anymore. Now I need to get a red and a green circuit. Right. Easy peasy. And let's do... this. And get me one of those. Give me one of those. Give me one of those. Nope. One of those. Like this. There. Now we have red and green circuits. So these aren't going to be super fast because, well, it's just not going to be. You know what? Screw it. We'll do that. We'll let them have pretty much as fast as they can. These guys. We'll do that. That way, that should load those a little bit faster. Probably could use a stack inserter there. All right, and then what's the other thing that we need? What do you need for you? Red circuits, so I need iron gears. Iron gears and red circuits. You know what? Fine. Iron gears it is. And this guy is going to need... where are you? There they are. Red circuits and steel plates. Okay, easy enough. All right, so you can go here like this. You can go like that. You can go like this. Give me a yellow one. Actually, it won't work because... okay, no, I do have an extra one. All right. And then definitely let's limit this to, less. All right, so we'll limit those to those. Go ahead and do that. And then that should start making those for us. We just need a ridiculous amount. Yeah, that's like 45 and 45. Like, it's just freaking forever. It's 45 for everything. It's just going to take forever for those to build. Logistics robots are done. We'll go ahead. I'm going to run out of blue at some point. We're going to be making blues next round. We'll work on that stuff. Let me get... oh, let's get those. I need repair packs just so as we start getting into trouble, we'll be able to do those. Let's see, repair packs. Are they in here? There they are. We'll make that many of them. All right, so, and then I'm going to do this guy over here, right? So I want to do this, but I want to look at this and see. Yeah, so we need all those. So we need all the same things, except for we need red frames also. Right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and move this back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control C this entire thing. You know what? Yeah, we'll just Control C the whole thing. And then we're going to flip it horizontally. And then we're going to put it out one more place. Right? Because I need to bring reds in here. We'll let them build everything for us, and then we'll take it all apart and put it back together. So these all need to be red instead. We'll do red there, red there, red there. This guy's going to change from those to these guys instead, so we get logistics robots. This guy's going to change. We can also just do this. I usually take one of these. I'll bring it over here. Cue that. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to tell it trees and rocks only. Right? And then what I'm going to do is I can do this. I can just go bloop and then do this. And then I'll only grab the trees and rocks and get them out of my way. Now these guys are mad because they don't have any place to put things. Let's see. But we do have yellow boxes down here. So what I'm going to do, and they're going to be mad because they don't have any place to put yellow boxes inside of the buildings. Because I don't have... So we'll go ahead and place those down there for now. So that is that. Okay, so we're going to go... Let's see. Build one of those. Should be able to do that there like that. Do this here like this here like this, right? Now this one, now we need to go total logistic box available. So this is an X signal. So do here, go to there, right? And this is going to be enable X signal. Leave that there, and we'll say that to 100 also. So we're going to set constant on that. We're going to make sure that this guy is limited to also. And then basically all we need is red circuits coming in here. And then now my red circuits and stuff like that isn't the best, isn't going to be the fastest. But we will have them. So that way we'll be able to go ahead and load those. Now we're also mad because we don't have these things set up to actually do what we need to do over here. Do I want to do... Yeah, let's just do that. I'm just going to do... Pick all that up. I'm sure it'll be a mistake. It'll be fine. So you'll see that thing is inside of our range. So it's going to actually try to come help us and pick things up. The next thing we need to do also is start getting... once we can get our logistics robots up and going. Yeah, we broke everything. We broke everything. All right, so I'm going to actually take all of these guys. That's fine. And then I'm going to put them in like that. Put that in like that. Put all these back together. And then, like, so some of the improvements that were made are just awesome. Like, I'm really enjoying quality of life improvements, stuff like that. It's doing a lot better. So I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so you guys are just mad. It's quite possible they just don't have the belts and stuff they need. All right, so that stuff is all going good there. So now we have those in. We just don't have the sulfur coming in. So we're going to go ahead and do this again. Take all these guys out. We'll take all these guys out. Right, and then we'll just put a belt in like this. And then there you go. There you go. So now we have sulfur going to both sides. We have batteries going to both sides. And then that way everything's kind of, we can increase it. If we really wanted to, we could try to merge the frames and put them on a belt, and it probably would be, more efficient. And then that way we can kind of feed frames to whatever side we need to feed frames to. But right now, let's see. Put those in there. And these guys can probably be limited to just one box, since I'm pulling them from both sides. So we'll go ahead and limit those. Why are you still angry? So you still need those. Oh, we didn't bring... Did not bring that over. All right. So... All right, so that should be everything that we need. And then that should make motors the 10 seconds. And then we'll start getting logistics robots. Then the next thing to do is to go back here and start changing all of our boxes in here to basically passive providers, so that we can start getting things picked up, right? And then we can start building things. So we have bots. We have bots. Starting to slowly get that stuff going. See, now it's going down. We'll get like military science. We'll get that stuff going. We'll start getting our modules researched. We'll get energy distribution. Like I want to get blue stuff kind of going before we get too far down into this stuff. Mining productivity, inserter capacity bonus, walls, research speed. Little things in life. But now that we have bots, it should start picking up a little bit. So you can see, obviously, my red circuits are being the murdered. They are not doing well. The whole red circuits here needs to be slightly improved. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go down here. You know what? Just do that for now. I don't think I'm using as much plastic as I would like to be. Let me go pick this plastic up. Go pick this plastic up. So if you have your robots pick up the plastic, it's a lot slower. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and Control X this guy here. Pull these guys out. So that way, those will all get pulled up. Control C. Well, that didn't help. Right? So I'm going to Control C this guy. I'm going to grab it a little bit higher this time. Stamp. 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 So we'll stamp all these guys down. Can I get one more? I can get one more. All right. So we'll get all these guys put in. This will all get added and updated and fixed and placed, and all that stuff. So now we'll have this. So next episode, we should be able to go through, start placing down RoboPorts, start getting the base, start building itself, and stuff like that. So as always, if y'all like these videos, if you like them, please go ahead and hit the button down below. It really does help the channel. If you have a question, a comment, or concern, you can leave that down below. And then if you're not subscribed and you'd like to see more of this or any of the other stuff that I'm doing, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. But with that, I'll let y'all go. It's been a long episode, but we got bots. That's the important things. You guys be safe, and we'll talk to y'all soon.